In this video, I will show you how to send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. To get started, go ahead and open your Phantom Wallet. So in here, make sure you're signed in into your account. In your Phantom Wallet, go ahead and hit on that receive button on your home page, and in here, go ahead and select Solana from your list. So you can simply scan this QR code on Binance. And if you can't, you can simply copy your Solana address. From here, now once you have copied your Solana address, go ahead and head over to Binance. Head over to your wallet section, since in this section you'll be able to find the list of tokens available to you. So make sure that you have a Solana token in here and click on that. Now after you click on that, you'll need to select transfer. Now on that page, you'll need to actually paste the Solana address that you've copied from Phantom Wallet, and you need to set the amount of Solana that you want to send to that wallet. And that's basically how you can simply send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.